We're going to begin tonight with a warning from the Centers for Disease Control in Atlanta, telling schools and businesses around the nation to prepare for a nationwide spread of the novel coronavirus that has already killed more than 2,700 people worldwide. And as of today, more than 80,000 people around the world are sick from the virus, mostly in China and other foreign countries. But there is breaking news affecting us tonight. Word that at the port of Corpus Christi, sailors aboard foreign cargo ships are being checked for outward signs of the illness arising from that virus. Our Rudy Trevino has this update for us now. Rudy?
Well, Joe, we reached out to the Port of Corpus Christi and the City County Health District for clarification on their protocols when it comes to checking sailors aboard cargo ships who disembark while their vessels are either being loaded or unloaded. But first, we reached out to the International Seamen's Center, who deal directly with the foreign sailors. Sharon Emerson, the executive director, tells us that when chaplains, for example, board the ship, their temperatures are taken by the ship's staff periodically, and there are warning signs about the coronavirus posted. But apparently that is the extent of health inspection protocols.
They're very careful about the people that come in our port, very overly careful, which I'm glad of.
The Seamen's Center hosts upwards of 500 foreign sailors each week by either picking them up at their cargo ships and driving them to shopping areas or by hosting them at their center. But are these sailors checked for any type of communicable diseases?
Are they vetted, though, for their state of health?
I don't think so. No.
That's scary.
It's scary. It is scary. But I think that owners and agents, they know what's going on, and I'm sure that if anybody would have flu-like symptoms, which I think is the first thing of this coronavirus, they would be notified.
We reached out to the Port of Corpus Christi about our concerns, and they issued this statement. Quote, "The Port of Corpus Christi supports the U.S. Coast Guard and the U.S. Customs and Border Protection in their efforts to mitigate any health risk to the coastal bend community." The statement goes on to say, "We work in close coordination with area emergency managers, public health officials, and preparedness groups. And we maintain continual communication with the U.S. Coast Guard. We have full confidence that appropriate coordination will occur if an individual displaying flu-like symptoms with a history of travel to mainland China is identified on board the vessel. The safety of our employees, customers, and community," it reads, "remains the top priority for the Port of Corpus Christi." Also issuing a statement, the City County Health District. It states, quote, "The Health District is preparing staff for the possibility of a local case of the COVID-19. We are reaching out and meeting with different local partners, hospitals, emergency managers, medical society, the port, etc. We're working closely with the Department of State Health Services and CDC to monitor persons coming back from China. We are monitoring the situation globally and utilizing this time to prepare properly." Now, we want to make it extremely clear there are no cases of the coronavirus in our area. We've been reassured by our medical experts that they are remaining vigilant and recommend the public also stay informed.